What are you looking at me? Go get the food. What is this?
Dal.
What?
What's wrong?
What do you say it is?
Dal.
You call this dal?
What's going on here?
Look what sort of a wife you got me.
What happened this time?
Look what of food she's making and she has audacity to ask question my disgust.
I completely understand your disgust, beta. Look at her, behaving like she's the queen of the land. Doesn't even give us any dowry. Huh. She thinks we're all imbeciles compared to her. Do whatever you please with her.
Just no point doing anything right now.
Well, make sure you scar her forever this time.
Come.
Are you crazy?
Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I won't hurt you. I'm your husband. I don't know what's wrong. She's acting in an odd manner. Maybe it's because she might need some time to adjust. After all, we just got married. I'll give her some time. What's wrong with you? Are you alright? Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
He's gonna kill you. So kill him before he kills you.
Oh my god!
What's wrong?
Oh, my wife.
What happened to her? Have her tantrums started again?
I don't think it's tantrums. I met a doctor yesterday. I think there is something wrong about her.
I had mentioned earlier that something is wrong with her. She's mentally sick. You shouldn't have married her.
Yeah, but I think we should take care of her right now.
Okay.
We'll discuss about this later.
Okay, let's take her.
Yeah. I have taken her to 3 other doctors. But all of them tell me it's because we just got married and she needs time to adjust. But I want to know the truth. She's all right and fine in 1 minute and she becomes all erratic and screaming and all the other minute.
What are her symptoms? Can you list them out for me?
Yeah. Like she's having trouble speaking and all, and when she meets the public, like when she's in public, she becomes all erratic and screaming and she thinks that all are trying to hurt me. And the worst part is, like me, her husband, when I try to touch her, she thinks that I'm going to kill her. I don't know what's wrong with her.
I think I have enough for today. Could you please bring her in for a checkup tomorrow if it's possible?
Yeah, definitely. I will bring
Okay.
her.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please, have a seat.
So, did you get what's like?
Do you know what schizophrenia is?
No.
It's this mental disorder where there's dissociation of the individual from reality.
Okay.
It's often characterized by hearing of voices, aggression, and hallucinations.
Okay. So, what does this have to do with my wife?
I believe that your wife is suffering from schizophrenia.
Oh.
I'll give you some medicines for her, and I think you should give this to her. But this disease as such is not curable. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Only the symptoms can be reduced. So this is a medicine. Please give it to her, and then come back to me if there's any other issues.
Okay, doctor. Sure.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
How are you, beta? What happened? I can't believe this is happening to you. You don't deserve this. But more than this, I am upset that a well-educated woman like you, my daughter, is facing domestic violence quietly. It's because of women like you who know their rights but choose to be silent and suffer such atrocities that men think that they're superior to you and have the right to do anything. Do you remember when you were young and brave and had read an article on violence faced by women and would come up to me belligerently and ask me why they didn't stand up for themselves? Now that it's happening to you, you're becoming one of those women you disliked.
But Mom, what can I do? I'm married and he's my husband. I'm obliged to do whatever my husband asks me to do.
What nonsense! Just because you're married, you think that you have no rights? You're not a caged bird. By not taking any action against this, you're making your own life miserable. The society believes that a woman is an object that can be treated any way they please. It's high time that they realize that women are equal to men in every way. You should prove the society wrong and break the shackles that hold you down.
Yes, Ma. You're correct. I can't live this life anymore. I will get a divorce.
The medicines you have prescribed, it's not working anymore. Is there anything else we can do?
If the medicines aren't working, I don't think there's anything else we can do. I'm sorry to tell you this, but
Oh, what shall I do now?
if it's increasingly hard for you to live with her, I understand how you feel. I don't. If you're not able to live with her any further, then the Indian law does provide for divorce on the grounds of a spouse being schizophrenic. I think it's time that you sat down and took a serious decision, because her condition is only going to deteriorate from here on.
Okay. Okay, so I will take a decision now. Okay, thank you.
Nice meeting.
Hello. Please take your seats. Thank you. I have found a remedy for the two of you. You can get a divorce under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act. Section 13 deals with divorce, whereas subsection 1 deals with divorce on the grounds of cruelty, and subsection 3 deals with mental instability. So both of you can use that respectively.
So will I get a divorce immediately?
No, we do not get divorces immediately, but if the court wants, if the case wants temporary remedy, that may be provided.
Okay.
Okay.
I have transferred my evidences to his
Yeah.
phone.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I forgot one more thing. You will need to sign a document that is wakalatnama, so
Okay.
that I can come and talk on behalf of you in the court.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be needing that because I want you to represent me in the court.
That's good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In the case of Nair versus Nair, as per section 13(1)(c) of the Hindu Marriage Act, which bases the grounds of divorce on the fact that one of the spouses suffers from schizophrenia, the court has come to the conclusion, on the basis of the testament of the learned Dr. Chinmay, that Mrs. Anaga Nair suffers from schizophrenia, which makes it very difficult for her husband to live with her. Thus, the court grants divorce on this ground, and the court rests the case. As per section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act, a decree of divorce can be granted by the court for any marriage solemnized before or after the commencement of this act, on the grounds of a petition submitted by either the husband or wife. As per subsection 1A, the ground of divorce can be cruelty, that the petitioner has been treated with cruelty. In light of arguments advanced and evidence put forth, the court has come to the conclusion that Mrs. Predna Pratibanda has been treated with cruelty, and therefore in the case Pratibanda versus Pratibanda, the court has come to the conclusion that Mrs. Predna Pratibanda should be granted a divorce from Mr. Abish Pratibanda, and therefore the court rests its case.